The time capsule installation was commissioned to coincide with the opening of 26 York Street. People, our students, our surgical trainees and our staff were really at the heart of 26 York Street, and we wanted the commissioned piece to reflect the values of community, collaboration and learning which are inherent in this space.
This piece is symbolic of the role RCSI plays in supporting and celebrating our alumni beyond the years they spend studying or training here.
I wanted to create a very diverse and inclusive work of art where everybody could take part in it and could feel identified wherever they come from. The artwork ended up to be a wall structure sculpture holding 448 clay hollow vessels. The students were invited to make their own time capsule, to contribute with texts asking them to outline their hopes and their wishes. And then these texts were etched on individual metal scrolls. And then because this metal is flexible, it uncoiled inside the piece, so it's permanently trapped within.
And the bulla therefore nurture and hold the aspirations of our students in their own words, made by their own hands.
The time capsule installation will remain intact until 2057, when the bulle will be broken open by alumni at the 40-year reunion of the class of 2017.
In a way, the class of 2017 encapsulated everybody who'd gone before and everybody who was still to come. Our role is about nurturing and enabling people while they're here to go out and thrive in the world. I think the piece works on so many different levels. There's an individual in there, but the individual is always part of something bigger, and that collective something bigger has an impact globally.
Hopefully people will be reading the text that they wrote to themselves 40 years before. I wish I'm still around so I can get to see it.